Okay, I just bought a pair of windshield wiper blade from Temu, and this is how they look like over there. There's a pair, and this is my old wiper blade from AutoZone. Setup is different on here. The one AutoZone is like this, and the one from Temu is like this, kind of totally different. So how do you put this on? This one's pretty easy. The old one's pretty easy. Hook, and you connect this part to the hook like that. You hook it on like this and then push it up. But the Temu one is totally different. So let me show you how you do it. For the Temu, first, pretty simple, a lot easier than those design. This design is way much better. You see this and this. You squeeze it with both hands. This is my right hand. Squeeze it with both hands. Open it up. See, and once you open it up, inside is like this. And this part moves just a little bit. So how do you install it? Pretty simple. Let me show you. So that's how you do it. Hold this. Open it. See this here? This one goes in here. Like that. So once you go in, you hook it up to here. This little piece right there. And then push it. And then close the cap. And make sure it's all secure. It's all secure. And like this. So to take out the old wiper blade, push this one down. And then push it out. Like that. So I hate it. So you go, like sometimes stuck like this. And then get the whole thing out. This kind of design is kind of stupid. Now I'm installing the Temu one. Here. And here, use your thumb and your index finger. Press it. Open it up. Simple. Okay. And next is put this one. Okay, go through the hole. The hole right there. This one goes through the hole. Then hold this up in here. See how you hook it up to this part? Pretty simple. Like that. Close it. And push it down. How both wiper blade look like. One on the right, on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Alright? This is in the morning, there's a mist of water. There's water mist on the windshield. So let's see how well the wiper performs. Wow, one wipe cleaning out. Let's take a look. It's different, right? Here and here. I'll clean out this one. Alright. $10 one, what do you expect? It's pretty good. Thanks for watching.